So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today, we are going to learn how to write and read Hangul. So kindly please subscribe and ring the bell button to keep more updated. First, I'm going to give some tips how will you really learn fast learning Hangul. So first is mute all your social media accounts, notification, or any apps na pwedeng maka-istorbo sa inyo sa pag-aaral ng Hangul. Second is you need to provide notebook and ballpen kasi mas maganda na habang nagbabasa ka, nagsusulat ka, mas lalo mo maiintindihan at mamemorize lahat ng characters. So, third is most important is you need to put efforts and time sa pag-aaral ng Hangul. So, in English has 6 vowels and 20 consonants, so total of 26. While in Hangul has 21 vowels and 19 consonants, so equals of 40. So, wag kayo masyado muna ma-trigger dato kung sobrang dami na i-memorize nyo. Kasi usually, yung Hangul was very easy to learn. So, bakit sobrang dali pag-aralan? Kasi nakasulat sa isang blocks which is represent a syllable which is contains 2 or 4 letters sa bawat syllables, katulad ng example ko. So, sa Hangul syllable, may tinatawag na placeholder consonant. Itong placeholder na to, usually makikita nyo lang to sa mga vowels. For example, in English, 1, in Hangul, il. So, rules and Hangul syllable block must begin with a consonant. So, this is an example of a syllable that starts with a consonant. So, for the meantime, just ignore some characters. Later on, we will discuss about it. So, sa basic vowels ay may horizontal vowels and vertical vowels. Usually, halos lahat ng characters is same sounds lang. Ang pinagkakaiba lang dyan is yung wide ng mouth kung paano bigkasin yung isang characters. So, ganito yung tsura ng mga basics vowel with placeholder. I truly suggest na kabisado nyo muna yung first topic bago mag-next. Katulad ng ginawa ko, kada topic is sinusulat ko para mas makabisado ko siya. Ito, try to pronounce yung mga example na binigay ko. Tapos yung sa